Welcome back, everybody. Episode 4. It just seems like yesterday. We just started the Galactic Kitchen, but today we are about to make something absolutely incredible. Matter of fact, it's so incredible that Sunshine himself begs for it every week. That's right, beef and broccoli, baby. The power of the beef, the power of the broccoli. So good, right? I have to throw those in, chat, okay? I know you're already tired of hearing them. I gotta say it. Here we go. Let me show you what you need to do, because this meal, it takes a little bit, but you're gonna like it. Obviously, you're gonna need some stir-fried meat, right? This will be your beef. It'll be all cut up, ready to go. It'll be some good. What else do you need? Obviously, you need some broccoli as well. Get you quite a bit of broccoli. It's gonna be some good stuff. You're gonna need some carrots. You'll also need some garlic. Just spaghetti noodles. You can also get any kind of like different Thai noodles, lo mein noodles, anything like that. That will be some good things. That's obviously what you're going to use for the main pot. On the side, we're going to make our own sauce, chat. Now this sauce is nothing like you buy in the store. It is good stuff. Make sure you do it, because this is going to make or break it. Okay, brown sugar. Make sure you get some brown sugar here. Soy sauce, sesame oil, pepper, red pepper, flakes, and then ginger as well. We're gonna put all that into a bowl. So here's how this is gonna go. I'm gonna start doing the noodles, cooking the beef. You don't need to see that, but I'm gonna show you how to make the sauce. We'll be right back, chat. This is gonna be good. All right, chat, so as you can see, we've already got the beef up and going, and as well, we've got the noodles and the broccoli together. Now, I want to tell you that too. Make sure you take the broccoli and the noodles and boil them together. The beef will just obviously take care of itself, but now it's time to a little extra to that beef. Let's go get the ingredients, right? So yet again, we got about 2 things of garlic, 2 tablespoons of garlic, like we normally do, and then I'm gonna add a handful of carrots. You're gonna enjoy it. So let's go ahead and do the garlic first. Just kind of space that out just a little bit. We're gonna mix it in here in just a few. And as you can see, I like garlic, right? So just kind of do it at your own little pleasure here. You can see what you want to do now. I'm just gonna add the carrots. And then voila, right? So I'm gonna cook all those together, stir that up. Let the broccoli and the noodles cook. When the noodles are done, the broccoli will be done. And then we're gonna be in good shape, chat. We'll be right back to make the sauce, which is gonna be awesome. Be right back. Welcome back, guys. All right, now it's time to make that legendary sauce I was talking so much about. Now, this is really what separates this from that favorite Chinese restaurant that you always go to. Let's make it happen. As you can see, we've already added the brown sugar. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna add some of the ingredients to make it happen. Let's add the soy sauce. Now, granted, I will have the ingredients below in the description of the video, so definitely follow those, but I'm making this quite a bit, okay? Do it to your own pleasure and to your own liking. As you can see, I'm adding quite a bit. I just like what I do, okay? Next, you're gonna get your sesame oil. Pour that baby in there. This will add your thickness quite a bit. Then we're gonna get our ginger. Sprinkle that in there as well. And then we're also gonna get red pepper flakes. Now, of course, if you don't like spicy, don't put a lot of this in there. I do. So you may be like, holy cow, that's a lot. Yes, it is, because I love them spicy, baby. Of spicy meatball. And then, of course, we're gonna add our pepper as well, right? Give it a little extra flavor there. And voila! Now, we're gonna stir it together. It's gonna be very thick, right? The brown sugar, everything in there together. But let me tell you, a little bit goes a long way here, okay? Even though this may not look a lot, you're gonna pour this in to the beef and broccoli here very soon. And this is gonna make it, you're just gonna be like, holy cow, it's so good. But chat, it is as simple as that. You put those ingredients together, you have just made your own sauce for your beef and broccoli. Take just a minute, we're gonna be back. We're gonna add the noodles, the beef, the broccoli all together, and we're gonna pour the sauce, and then it's time to eat, baby. Come back, babe, let's go! All right, welcome back, guys. The moment has arrived. We're gonna add our sauce to the beef and broccoli. We're gonna stir it up and then it's time to eat. I can't stress enough how much you're really gonna like this. You're not gonna be able to eat fast food Chinese again, especially if you like beef and broccoli. Let's do it. Here we go. We're taking the sauce that we just made and now we're just simply going to pour it over. Now you can see I've already had the beef, the broccoli, the noodles all together. Make sure you scrape that in. If you are a saucy person like me, feel free to make another batch of what we just did, right? If you are a saucy person, you like it saucy, then you're probably gonna wanna make another batch, right? But this right here, and then that's all you do, chat. We're just gonna stir that in. It's gonna get on your noodles, gonna get on your beef, it's gonna get on your broccoli, and it's gonna be so good. You may not necessarily see it like 100% on this, but trust me when I tell you, it is there. The taste is there. It's so good. I'm so excited. All right, chat, I'm gonna keep stirring this. When I come back, we're gonna taste the final product. Stay tuned. Oh my goodness. Look at this, chat. This is exactly what we've been wanting tonight, right? So we got our beef, our broccoli, our carrots, our garlic. The flavor is unlimited, I'm telling you right now. Well, now it is time to put this skill to the test, baby. Let's get that little bite. Let's make it happen right now, chat. Get our broccoli, get a little bit of noodle, and the beef. Oh, that's a big bite. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Chat, a lot of flavor right there. I'm telling you, if you make your homemade sauce like we did tonight, it is gonna be absolutely amazing. You'll never eat beef and broccoli the same. I spit everywhere. I just can't help it, it's so good. Chat, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Did you try it? What do you want to see? I want to hear from you. Like, subscribe, comment. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you soon.